Stop posting content if you're not doing these 5 things, because after all, we are running a business. This is business media, not social media. And so if you're here posting content, it's probably because you are looking to attract more quality leads, more quality followers that are going to turn into potential clients, that you are going to offer a transformative experience because you are in the service-based business. You are a coach, you are a creator, you are here to provide a change because you are the solution to your ideal client's problem and frustration that they're experiencing, and you know that you can deliver an amazing outcome. And so you're creating content, but you're wondering, how come no one is purchasing my services? How come no one's going to link in my bio? How come I'm not making any sales? And I'm going to tell you right now, the reason why you're not making sales in your online business right now is because you're not following up, okay? How many of you are actually taking the time to connect with your audience? Drop a 1 in the chat or a 1 in the comments if you are currently making sales with your content on a consistent basis, meaning that you're creating a piece of content, people are raising their hands to connect with you in the DM, they're reaching out to you in the DM, they're commenting the keyword, you're having a conversation and you're nurturing them to learn more about you and how you can help them. These are the 5 things that I need you to start doing. If you're not doing these 5 things, you might as well just go ahead and just throw your phone in the trash and just stop creating content, because what is the point of you creating all this content, spending all this time and energy doing research? If you're not doing research, you need to be doing research. The first thing that you need to do is when you have a new follower, when someone comments on a post, when someone sends you a DM, is to create a connection and have a conversation. It is called social media for a reason, because we are meant to be social and connect. And people don't buy your product or service, they buy you. So to make it even more powerful is as soon as you get a new connection, you're sending a video message in connection. So that way you can immediately get to know who your new audience and follower is, what they're looking for, and I'm gonna call it their target. Their target is what are their main goals and objectives for creating content, for within their business, for that they want to achieve in the next 30 days, 90 days, 6 months. So that way you can better understand what they need and if you're able to provide and help them with that. And obviously if they became a follower, there's a reason why they're following you and they're looking forward to learning more about you and about your offer. Oh, and by the way, everything I'm breaking down right now, I actually have a script. It's a free DM script. So if you're not in the DMs having conversations, just comment the word sales and I'll send it your way. Okay, just comment or DM the word sales and I will send you that sales script. Okay, or DM script or conversation script. And so next is time. So after you understand what their goals are, what their objectives are, you next want to understand specifically what is the time that they're looking to achieve this specific goal. Meaning, are they wanting to start in 6 months? Are they wanting to start like yesterday? You want to have an understanding of specifically when they're looking to achieve this goal and this outcome. So that lets you know how ready they are. Now that you understand their target and their time, also you want to understand, okay, why are they wanting to achieve this? How long have they been wanting to achieve this? Why is this important to them? In the sense of, are they wanting to buy a new house? Are they wanting to go on vacation? Are they wanting to purchase a new car? Do they want to pay off some debt? Like, why is this so important for them that they're looking to achieve this goal right now, along with the trigger? The trigger is the why, but it's also understanding specifically, like, why right now? Like, this is a big pain point. This is a frustration. They've been experiencing this for months, possibly years, going to YouTube University, scrolling on social media, following all these gurus, and they're like, there's so much information out there. I don't know what to do. I don't know which one to choose. The trigger, meaning that it is so deep that they cannot wait any longer. It's like going to the doctor when the doctor's like, you have a massive tumor in your stomach and it needs to be removed. I'm sorry, hopefully nobody has tumors, or apologies for anyone who might have experienced a loss. Sending blessings and prayers your way. But meaning that it's such a deep pain point that it's like, I needed to have this fixed as of yesterday. So now you've made the initial connection, you've understand what their target goals and objectives are, You have gained an understanding of the time frame of when looking to achieve this. You figured out the trigger, and then next you want to understand, what have they tried? What have they other solutions have they actually tried to get to a result, to solve this problem? And it's really important that you understand this, because this lets you know where they are in the customer journey, in the sense of someone who is just starting out from complete scratch, meaning they have no idea how to get to this end result or this end goal. Maybe you're wanting to lose weight, you're 30 pounds overweight, but you've never stepped foot in the gym. You have a horrible diet. You have no idea what to eat or what to shop at the grocery store. You have no idea what to do. You are a beginner. Versus someone who has been to the gym a few times, possibly a former athlete. They used to eat healthy, but they've just fallen off track. So they have an idea of what to eat. They have an idea of what to do in the gym. They have an idea of how to get to this goal, but they don't have a clear, direct roadmap, and they're looking for additional accountability and someone to help hold their hand and guide them from where they're currently at to where they're looking to go, and have a strategic solution that is like game plan mapped out. And it's like, okay, this is the time frame. This is how you're going to get there. That's what they're looking for. So that person is going to be possibly maybe more intermediate or advanced, and they're going to be looking for a more possibly done for you solution versus hand holding or anything like that. So these are key questions you want to understand where you can place them within your offer, especially if you have multiple tiers. And then when you understand, okay, what have they tried? Then they've told you like, oh, I've had a coach, or maybe in my case, like I've invested in coaches, I've invested in courses, I've been going to YouTube University and did workshops that gave me so much information, but I still don't understand how to create high converting content. I still don't understand how to have a conversation in the DM. I still don't understand how to follow up with my clients. What are some ways and some strategies so that way when I do connect with them, they're going to be like, oh, Jeremy, you're the one. Oh, let me see, Janny, you're the one. Like, I need you. Oh, mom boss, like, I need you. Okay. Once you understand all of that, then you want to send some social proof. This I didn't have listed in the 5, but share some social proof. Like, you know what? You sound a lot like ex-client who experienced the same thing. They were exactly where you are, and this is what we were able to help them achieve. And by helping them achieve that, they've gotten this specific result. Oh, you know what? You sound a lot like my client Nitra. She came in, she had no systems and automation. She was taking way too many clients one-on-one. What we did is we revamped her offer. We revamped her messaging, the language. We got her on a consistent content and live schedule, and we automated the whole back end of her business. And so within a 12-week time frame, she was able to hit close to $30,000 in her business, all organically, by creating more high converting content that speaks to the souls and the minds of her ideal clients, where they're like, oh my gosh, Anitra, where do I sign up? That's an example. But you're doing this all where? In the DM. You're letting them know all the tea, all the sauce. And you're like, if this sounds like you, I really believe that I can help you get to that result that we've just discussed. I actually have some availability today or, tomorrow at noon, which works best for you. You are now inviting them to a call with you. You are now inviting them into your world to connect with them on a deeper, more intimate level, to then map out their vision in a visual way where they can see themselves in your offer, where you can allow them to see how you can connect the dots from their pain to their desired dream outcome and destination. And when they see that, they're going to be like, wow, I never thought of it like that. Wow, this was so helpful. And this is what I call my visibility to paid strategy. So you're increasing the visibility within your content to have the conversations to get them into a call or into a workshop to lead them to a conversion within your community. But how is this going to happen? You have to cultivate that by having the connection and having the conversations in the DM, calling them. You can make calls on Instagram. You can make calls from your phone on social media. You don't have to get their phone number. If they're ready right then and there, just hop on a quick call and then get them to more of a Zoom-based type call, okay? And if you found this helpful and you're like, oh my gosh, this was really good, where can I get more of this? Go ahead and comment sales and I'll send you the DM script, or you can comment the word creator and I'll send you an invite to my private exclusive community, Creator Nation, where I share weekly live trainings like this. But we're live here on Instagram, but they're live in the room with actual templates and strategies and frameworks that you can then take and implement into your business this week, because my goal is to serve you, to help you get a result. So again, let's break that down one more time. I recommend do not post again or stop creating content if you're not doing these 5 things. The main thing you need to be doing is following up. But how do you follow up? Connect with them in the DM immediately after they comment, after they follow, even if they like, start the conversation up. Understand what is their target. Their target is like, what are their goals and objectives? After that, what is the time frame of how soon are they looking to get to this desired outcome? Then you want to understand the trigger. Why is this important to them? Why now? And then what have they tried in the past that possibly didn't work? That was a frustration, because this lets you know how you can come in and fill in those gaps and those holes and those pieces that they didn't get access to before. And then lastly, you have to invite them, because even if you have those conversations, they might not say, okay, where can I sign up, or how can I book a call with you? Some will, but that's probably about 10%. In the beginning, you need to invite them. So as Roscoe said, make sure to follow up. And if you would love an exact script of this, go ahead and comment and DM me the word sales, and I will send you that free script. We go live every Tuesday. Goal is 12:30 Central Time. If you want to have access to the replay, it will be here. It will also be posted in the free community. Next week, we are going to do a sales training, but you need to be in the room. You need to be in the room. So comment or DM me the word creator, because you're going to need to be in the room to get the full training live with me. You can ask questions, and that's what this community is for. If you're in the community, you can be live in the room. Wouldn't you rather be live in the room versus on the other side of the screen? And answer any of your questions that you ask. I look forward to seeing you in the community. And if you found value here today, make sure to share with a friend who is currently looking to generate more sales and revenue on their Instagram into their business. And again, my goal here for y'all is to create more high converting content so that way you can scale your online business and increasing your brand's visibility, exposure, and money in your bank account. I'll see y'all in the next live. Bye for now.